Okay, I need to speak seriously to you kids because I'm telling you, you are birds, you know? You have to go to the ground. You need to pick on the ground. No? No, Mom, I don't think so. The grass is you. It's dirty there. Yes, but you need to go to the ground. You have to do it for you because you're a bird. We're not bird, we're human like you. Yes, I know, but you have to go there, okay? Okay, I'm gonna pick one of you, one per one. Now you can go to the grass. Woo! And you can go to the grass. Okay, let's see. Texas, go to the grass. Go, go. Let's see what he did. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yay! Are you having fun now? See, that's what you needed, huh? A little bit of love and pick on the ground, see what you find. Mallory, Texas, Jay, did you find something? Yes, Mom, I did. Did you find something, kids? It's funny. Texas, Texas. So guys, I also found some chickens here that I have to show you, you know. It's like really crazy. Like there is a chicken here. No, that's a rooster and that's a hen over there. That's another hen over there. Hi rooster. Hi chickens. So the chickens are having fun right now. Hi Mallory. Hi Dakota J. Hi Texas. Texas. Texas is very busy there. Those chickens are something. But I love them. Especially the rooster. So funny. We're so happy, Mom. Thank you so much. You're welcome, babies. They are in my spot. This is my spot. No, it's our spot too. Well, I don't think so, Mom. I'm gonna pick him here. Sorry, kids. I know he's being mean because he's happy here. But you don't need to go far away, okay?